Bitcoin and the SPX simultaneously plummet like a middle-aged man's sense of self-worth after years of rejection. Can this one juicy altcoin continue its absolutely massive breakout and defy the odds? What comes next is both bone-chilling and bone-inducing. I'm your host, Tommy Twist and Squeeze, and Bitcoin is right now exiting the bone zone, but the wrong way. And as well, with Bitcoin's current dynamic, with only weeks until the end of the year, and specifically very big news for this top altcoin in just 6 days, what could this mean? To get these absolute time sensitive alerts as well, we are starting fresh, and we're going to be picking a winner for a ledger equivalent BTC. But as well, leave your comments for the next one. And as well, it is for subscribers, so make sure to subscribe as well. And if you're interested in any of their bonuses or deals, some very good, amazing, sweet bonuses deals, make sure to keep your crypto safe. If you want to get more crypto, make sure to check out the pinned comments and description below. And without any further ado, let's jump on it. Big. So Bitcoin right now, at this very moment, has been battling with the $55,000 level, again, after we got rejected off the 21 DMA just days ago at right under 60K. So very big. Bitcoin, not in a very pumpy spot right now, right? But with that being said, this top altcoin specifically hit new highs today, coming very close to all-time highs. And this is a coin we've been talking about ever since this backtest here, and even before that, but specifically almost every other video here, okay, last month. And now we've been exploding to the upside. And not only that, there's actually fundamentally bullish news for this coin as well. And before we jump into the Bitcoin TA, again, this is something we talked about. For example, I mean, there are numerous videos. This is back about 2 weeks ago here, you know, as we were exiting this retest here. And as you can see, we've obviously gone up to the upside here for Matic. And some very big news for Matic as well. So Polygon is preparing a big announcement at the Central Committee Summit in just 6 days on December 9th. Polygon will be making a big announcement at the upcoming CCS event where zero awareness technology will be discussed to test its use in promoting the crypto sector. And what's most interesting here is Ethereum's scalability problem trying to be tackled. Combined with pool batches where transactions are bundled and sent to the backbone in a single transaction, scalability can be improved by reducing the number of transactions processed. And all-in-one that looks at Ethereum scaling issues and its direct impact on the network is likely long overdue in terms of gas fees. Polygon research and development in this area. They do research and development in this area. And so obviously this is not really a secret that Polygon potentially being a very big fix to this issue, right? And what would that mean? If Ethereum's gas fees were remedied, which is, you know, Ethereum's not perfect. No cryptocurrency is perfect, right? Bitcoin is the most decentralized. Bitcoin is the most secure. But Bitcoin also has severe limitations in what it can do, specifically when it comes to DeFi. Again, it does have smart contracts, specifically about a few weeks ago with Taproot upgrade, but it's still kind of primitive. It's still pretty early. There are other cryptocurrencies that are further along, much further along in terms of smart contracts and all of that than Bitcoin. But if all of that would be on Bitcoin, Bitcoin would be perfect. If Bitcoin could do everything that all these other coins could do and not sacrifice the decentralization and the security that Bitcoin obviously has, that would be perfect. But that's the thing. At this very second, it can't. Maybe in the future it can, but right now it cannot do that. So Ethereum as well is not perfect. But obviously one of the biggest complaints about Ethereum is the ridiculous gas fees. Absolutely garbage, okay? I love Ethereum, but I hate spending a couple $100s to send it, okay? Or if I want to buy like an NFT or if I want to do anything, it's absolutely outrageous that it costs that much. So I think Ethereum's great. I think the gas fees are horrible, but it's a problem that needs solved. And if Polygon can tackle it, or if some other project in the future comes along and can tackle it, the point is, if the problem can be tackled, you get rid of that problem. Talk about moon juice, okay? And the cool thing about that is Ethereum would moon, but so would the project that would, you know, help potentially tackle that, like Polygon. So again, just discussing possibilities. And again, could this be a sell the news event? Absolutely. Usually most of these are. But if this is truly going to be a big announcement, then it could be truly pumpalicious for both Ethereum and Polygon. So, and as well, Vitalik is attending Polygon ZK Summit. This top Reddit post here says, this is huge news for Polygon. Polygon will be irrelevant after 2.0, ETH 2.0. But the fact that Vitalik himself said that Polygon will still be needed, and he's actually very interested in the project, says a lot here. So again, just more correlation, I guess, between these two projects, or more compatibility that could raise both of them up. and could be better for the entire space. And with that, obviously, those are more like news developments with Matic. Obviously, the price is technically in a very bullish spot, and that's why we've been talking about it so much. But right now, the SPX is not looking great. It's dumping a little bit today, and Bitcoin's getting dragged down with it. Ethereum as well. I mean, the entire market. Matic was up more, and it's going to dump if the rest of the market continues dumping, obviously. But obviously, if Bitcoin starts just plummeting here, then everything will dump. Specifically with Bitcoin, we're still in a zone that I consider highly, highly, highly boring. We've been talking about coming down to this 21 week for weeks now. Right now, it sits a little above 51,000. So coming down to that area, again, is just an ideal entry position, in my opinion, for a trade, for an entry, whether you're trying to trade it or just accumulate there. And again, coming down to this level, I think we would probably balance out there over a few days or one day. But coming all the way down to maybe 46 or 47K is not out of the question as well. So just because I say retesting this 21 week right about 51, that doesn't mean we can wick down. I mean, that's always in play. So again, that's still something I'm watching for. The price has still been a little dumpy. We're just kind of waiting for that true reversal signal here, which we have not gotten yet. We've now broken through this resistance that we didn't have too much momentum here. It's been multiple days now, for like the past 4 or 5 days above this. And yeah, we just could not break it. So yeah, we're just kind of teeter-tottering still. But at this point, again, it's still, in my opinion, nothing very good or bad in terms of price action. It's still boring. We're still just trading within this chop here. And again, that's why a lot of my attention is focused more on other projects at this very second. Because again, Matic can absolutely continue to fly, especially if Bitcoin stops dumping. Again, if Bitcoin starts dumping, that's going to hurt everything. And as well, the stock market, if that starts dumping, then that will hurt everything as well. All right, so we've had 6 videos in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the last week. So let's do 1 through 6. Okay, 1. All right, so the most recent video, just copy and paste the URL there. Okay. And remember, whoever the winner is, just actually filter duplicate users. I'll have to do this again. Oh, I think it did it anyway. 583. Okay, yeah. Yeah, just remember to respond to your winning comment. And yeah, just get in touch. And let's see who the winner is. Yeah, the winner is Backpacking Adventure. Thanks, man. Awesome, brother. Very chill. Also, it's nice seeing a picture of a human and not like a anime character or something. So yeah, make sure to send me a message, and we can get you that ledger or equivalent in BTC. And as well, if you're sending any other bonuses, make sure to check out the links below. Thank you for the review. Sweet.